In this video, I'm going to give a brief introduction to containers. So before I explain what exactly is a container, why containers are required. So your application needs roughly three different things. First is the machine on which it has to run. The machine needs to have an operating system. Also, there can be some dependencies of the application. So all these things are required for your application to run as expected. And ideally, we require consistent environment to ensure that the application is running as expected. So what may happen in some cases that, okay, the operating system might be a bit different or the dependencies are not quite there. And these are the things which will not let the application run as expected. So for example, if I have an application written on Python 2 and I give that application to you and you try to run it in your laptop, but your laptop has Python 3, there is a chance it may not work properly simply because it doesn't have the correct dependencies. So this is the problem that a container solves. So what is a container? It is basically a packaged version of your application. So what's inside the package? It has the application, its dependencies, as well as the operating system. So all these constitute a container. And it basically isolates an application and its dependencies into a self-contained unit that can run anywhere. Also, that makes it easier for environment consistency, which means it works the same way on all computers. It is lightweight, which means it takes just a few milliseconds to load, not like minutes. Also, it requires less memory. So in all, it makes it much easier to isolate an application in a self-contained manner so that it can run anywhere you want on any system without taking too much of memory.